Let's say I could also ask him his age. And age is definitely a number. So there is already date of birth through which I could calculate age. Still, for the purpose of exercise, I'm going to use this number input. So age, I'm going to say 56, 35. All these numbers can also be incremented and decremented using this buttons. Now there are, you could also apply some restrictions to this age. Like we saw on the min max example in the date range, you could also have a min of, let's say you want someone of age 18 can be a part of this website contact form, or more than that. So I can't go below 18. Let's see if we able to enter. No, I could. I think the range works only till 18 to 100.